Me when I had long blonde hair. Been trying to grow my hair out and it just is taking its sweet time. This hair is about to get crazy, so just prepare yourselves for it. It's still damp. This is what happens when I blow dry my hair. Yeah, this is why I don't blow dry my hair. So I'm just doing it now just so I could show you guys this hairstyle. And really it works better with like frizzy, poofy hair anyway. So, okay. So I'm gonna dive right in. Let me grab got a brush right here, or a comb I mean. Got some bobby pins. Got a ton of bobby pins. Got like 30 of them. Rubber bands, just little ones. Probably need about 8, but just in case they break. So I'm going to show you from the front, and then I'll probably try and turn to the side and show you guys. I'm going to start right here and just kind of go straight up to the top and section it off. And I always do this. I always make the top bun like the biggest one, but since my hair is short, it always turns out like way bigger than the rest. So I'm trying to just make it like smaller. So take my comb, comb up, make the edges like flat. Okay. And perfect. Now I'm going to take my little hair tie and just like tie it just like this. And I'm going to do like go through to do another loop, but stop. So it just leaves this like weird one of these. Okay, so I'm doing that all the way down. Take my bobby pins. So I'm gonna take my bun and just like poof it out, really. And then I'm gonna take my bobby pin and just like pin it in the front so it stays. so it stays down a little bit. This hairspray. It was only £1, so Co-op's brand, extra firm hairspray, cruelty free. It's got a little bunny on there, looks like.